Need an air conditioning solution in Piara Waters that delivers consistent performance? At Gildan Air Electrical, we provide structured installation, servicing and upgrade options designed for residential properties seeking reliable climate control. Our team focuses on accurate system sizing, efficient reverse cycle operation and compliant installation practices to support long-term value. Our licensed specialists manage split system setups, ducted installations and maintenance for existing units, ensuring each system operates to expected standards. If your property requires an assessment, replacement or performance review, we offer clear guidance supported by practical on-site experience. For dependable air conditioning in Piara Waters, contact Gildan Air Electrical. Visit www.gildanair-electrical.com.au or call 0428 892229 for more information.